In the ever-evolving realm of interior design, TV wall decor has emerged as a focal point of innovation and creativity in 2024. This year, a striking shift towards creating visually captivating and functional TV wall setups has taken center stage, redefining how we perceive and interact with our entertainment spaces. One prominent trend that has gained traction is the concept of feature walls. Design enthusiasts are embracing textured materials such as reclaimed wood or intricate 3D tiles to add a layer of sophistication and depth to the TV wall. These materials not only serve as visually appealing backdrops, but also introduce a tactile element to the overall design, transforming the TV area into an immersive experience. Floating shelves and integrated cabinets have become integral components of TV wall decor, seamlessly marrying style with practicality. These elements not only offer streamlined storage solutions, but also act as a canvas for displaying carefully curated decor items, from art pieces to cherished mementos. The result is a harmonious blend of form and function, where the TV wall becomes a reflection of the homeowner's personality and style. Ambient lighting plays a pivotal role in elevating the aesthetics of TV wall designs. The strategic use of LED strips or recessed lights creates a warm and inviting ambiance, emphasizing the importance of the entertainment area within the overall living space. The integration of minimalist designs, characterized by clean lines and concealed wiring, further contributes to a sleek and modern look, eliminating visual clutter and promoting a sense of sophistication. Moreover, the technological landscape has seamlessly merged with interior design, introducing smart home solutions to the TV wall. Interactive displays and dynamic content arrangements have become possible, providing an immersive and personalized entertainment experience. Whether it's a rotating art gallery or an interactive informational display, the TV wall of 2024 is not just a visual centerpiece, but a multifunctional hub that adapts to the diverse needs and preferences of its users. In conclusion, the TV wall decor of 2024 goes beyond mere aesthetics. It represents a convergence of technology, design innovation, and individual expression. It transforms the traditional entertainment space into a dynamic and personalized zone, setting the stage for a new era in interior design.